you're going to need paper and pencil. Hopefully I have it set up for you already. This is also going to require your attention. What's about to happen is I'm going to say some sounds. You have to tell me how you would spell it. I'm going to write down the correct answer just for this time so that you can begin to learn how this process will go. So let's jump right in. Okay. The first sound is You should have seen this on the video at some point. So that's going to be, you're going to write digraph NG and N. That means you should write that. I wrote the thing in cursive and I wrote it in print. I don't care which one you do right now. I just need you to write it. I'm moving on. The next sound is ah. Repeat the sound and then write how you would spell it. You should have written, oh, if you didn't write it, just write the correction next to it. Don't waste time erasing. We do not have time. Next, t. You should have written T. Next, D. You should have written D. And if you haven't written it, write it next to it. Do not try to erase. We do not have time. Next, A. You should have written A. Next, you should have written H. Next, K, as in kite. You should have written K. Next, G. You should have written G. Next, E. E as in elephant. You should have written E. Next, M. You should have written M. Next, I as in igloo. You should have written I. Next, Th as in thumb. TH. Next, as in fan. F. Next, V as in mother. TH. Next, W as in wagon. W. Next, V as in violin. V. Next, B as in bat. B. Next, N as in nest. N. Next, P as in pig. Now those are the sounds that we have gone over while you sit with me or on the video and or when you sat and watched the videos that go over the keywords and sounds. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to spell some words. So here are the words that we are going to spell. Number one, I need you to spell hot. The word is hot. If you said the sounds, you had t. What letter stands for H? What letter stands for O? What letter stands for T? And that's how you spell hot. The next word, moth. Moth. The sounds are th. Th. The sound is spelled with an M. The O sound is spelled, the sound is spelled with an O, and the th sound is spelled with digraph TH. And that's how you spell moth. We don't have time to erase. Please just write the correction next to it. The next word is bond. My sounds are b, n, d. So there are 4 sounds: b, n, d. B is spelled with a B. Is spelled with an O. N is spelled with an N. D is spelled with a D. And I used B, N, D. And that's how you spell bond. Next one is going to be hang. And remember, if you hear the sound, that's going to be spelled with an NG. So hang. And my sounds are ang. Okay? So ang. First sound spelled with an H. Spelled with an A. Is digraph NG. Hang. So you need to copy that for me, please. Next is fang. The sounds are f, ang. That's 3 sounds, but you need 4 letters. Is spelled with an F. Is spelled with an A. Is spelled with digraph NG. So that's how you spell fang. The next word is thing. I want you to try to write thing on the paper. That's all the time we have. Get ready to move on. You should have thing written on the paper with your own attempt.